Hello everyone, this is the North American Math Contest Go Go Go. This week we are going to talk about a new problem. Let dn denotes the number of ways where the integer n can be written as a product of this. Where k is larger than 1. So for example, d6 can be written as d 2 times 3, 2 times 3, 3 times 2, 6. So the total number of solution of d6 is 3. Find d96. To solve this problem, let's think about it in another way. So let's see, d96 is equals to d48 times 2, right? So now we have 48 times 2. So we can now expand it further, think it into cases of d48, how it can combine like this, and how it can combine as a d2. So therefore, a solution for this type is 48 plus 2. Another way of doing it is 24 times 4. Another way you can split it in 32 times 3, 16 times 6, using so on. So we can draw a conclusion that dn is equals to the sum of all divisors dn divisor. So for example, d8 is equals to d4 plus d2 plus d1. Using this way, we can start. d96. We can list out all the divisors of d96, which is d48 plus d32 plus d16 plus d12 plus d8 plus d6, d4, d3, d2, d1. Now it is also hard to compute d4, so we can compute them one by one. Let's start with d48. d48 is equals to d24 plus d16 plus d12 plus d8 plus d6 plus d4 plus d3 plus d2 plus 1. d1, which is 1. And then we continue on d24. d24 can then be simplified as d6 can be simplified into d6 is equal to 3, d8 is equals to d1 plus d2 plus d4. d12 is equals to d1 plus d2 plus d6. So we can then try to find d6. So we can try to find all values of d24. d24 is equals to, this is equivalent to 3 plus 1 plus 1. d12 is equal to plus d3 plus d4. So we know that d12 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 8. d6 is equal to 3. D4 is equal to 2. D8 is equals to D8 is equal to 4. D3 is equal to 1. D2 is equal to 1. D1 is equal to 1. So D24 is equals to 20. Then let's work on D16. D16 is equal to D1 plus D2 plus D4 plus D8, which is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 8. So we just mark them. D12. D12 is equals to D6 plus D4 plus D3 plus D2 plus 1, which is equals to 8. 2. Also 8. D8, as we said, it is equal to 4. D6 is equal to 3. D4 is equal to 2, D3 is equal to 1, D2 is equals to 1. So 20 plus 8 plus 8 plus D8, 4, which is 40, plus 6, 3. D8, 48 is equal to 47. Now let's work on D32. Okay, D32. D32 is equals to D16 plus D8 plus D4 plus D2 plus D1. So it is equal to D16, 8, D8 is equals to 4, D4 is equals to 2, and both of them is 16. Now we know that D32 is equal to 16. There's a D24 missing. My bad. D24. It is equals to 20. We have already calculated that. D16 is equals to 8. D12 is equals to 8. D8 is equals to 4. D6 is equals to 3. D4 is equal to 2. D3 is equal to 1. D2 is equal to 1. D2 is equal to 1. 23, 25, 26, 27, 28. So the total number of sum is, and also D1 is equal to 1. So the total of number of sum is 47 plus 16 plus 20 plus 29. It is equivalent to 112, which is our final answer. Here we can, so using recursion, we can solve this problem easily. Here we come to the end of our lesson, and I hope you have learned a lot. See you next week. Bye! In fact, problems, they have many solutions, and my solution is only a part of them. If you have more challenging solutions, please comment below. And don't forget, I will also post my problems there. See you tomorrow!